Wala ho bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ho bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. If the diamond is being polished by friction, therefore a man is being perfected by its trials. What a glamorous and a spectacular evening. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, and the allies of the rainbow community. A girl who is naked in your eye is a fresh and innocent 22-year-old stunner who truly hails all the way last from the small town with a big heart, Pateros, Metro, Manila. My name is Brielle Ashley Sadux, but tonight, since this was a pageant, please do allow me to stand and carry the image of your one and only. Your Miss Universe 2022, ba't di po natin sabay-sabay at palakpakan at hiyawan si Binibining Rabia, Mateo. Miss Rabia Mateo po na naniniwala sa isang kasabihan na ano pa ang shabu, cocaine at marijuana kung sa akin pala, boom, sabog ka na. By the way, I'm really proud to say that the costume that I'm wearing for tonight is from the most indigenous and majestic people of the mountainous region of the sun, the Aita people or Negrito. From your country, my country, Republika ng Pilipinas, and I. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Queen number 3.
Magpapakilala pa po ako!
Lalong wala akong maaagawan ng jowa dahil ang hinihiling ko lamang po ay isang masigabong palakpakan. Maraming salamat po. You know what, ladies and gentlemen, I firmly believe that the physical attributes of a person is time will change, but the goodness of the heart will last for a lifetime. That's why one should be careful with your thoughts, because your thoughts may become your words may become your actions, and your actions may become your personality that will mold and defines one's destiny. Call me Yunil, Torino, Cebuche, and I am 25, all the way from the Tiger City of the Philippines, Mandaluyong City. And yes, I graduated as magna cum laude at the National University of Manila, who took up Bachelor of Arts in English Language Studies, and the former president of the National University Student Government, the highest governing body of students in the said university. But for tonight, allow me to introduce myself as one of the game changers, one of the catalysts of change. Indeed, pen is mightier than sword. I am a journalist by profession and a beauty queen by passion. But for tonight, since there is a pageant, allow me to stand by the name of your one and only. Minsan na rin po akong napanood sa Telepantosereng Encantadia bilang si Sangre Lira at ang babaeng nagpatibok sa pihikang puso ni Mr. Paul Salas. Sabay-sabay po nating palakpakan, Miss Mikey Quintos. Mikey Quintos ang nagsasabing, in this world full of choices, always choose yourself. Judges, the national costume that I'm wearing for tonight is proud to represent the Basketry Festival of the Philippines from the province of Bohol. But this costume is not just an ornament, but this is an instrument to amplify the call for better opportunities for our agricultural laborers or magsasaka. And to definitely ask, nasa na po ang ipinangakong 20 pesos na bigas? Thank you and enjoy the rest of the night.
Ladies and gentlemen, judges, good evening. Wearing a festival costume cannot be defined in how big, huge, glamorous, or shiny your festival costume is. But I certainly believe that wearing a festival costume can be defined on how are you going to present it with gratiat, elegantiat, or what we call as grace and elegance. I am proudly wearing right now the festival costume that showcased the arrival of the Panay people straight to the Panay Island known as Dinagyang's Festival. My name is Junel Siege Garcia, 28 anyos mula pa po sa bayan ng Marilao, lalawigan ng Bulacan. I'm a proud to be magna cum laude graduate from Far Eastern University, a sister of Sigma Homo Epsilon or Society of Homosexual Emergence. And yes, I am a magna cum laude graduate with a degree of Information Technology and now a licensed software engineer by profession. Or isa po sa mga lisensyadong inhenyero ng Republika ng Pilipinas. But since tonight this is a beauty pageant, allow me to introduce myself further. Opo, ako nga po ang baklang kinunuhan ng Hulyo 23, 2017 bilang isa sa pinakamaganda at may angking talino at talento ng lahing Bulakenyo. I am your Bulacan's Finest Beauty 2017. At opo, isa nga po ako sa mga baklang nakalusot sa pabilisan ng pindutan, sumagot sa mga katanungan na puno ng kalokohan, at nagpakita ng aking talino at galing sa showtime. Yes, I am your Miss Q&A Intergalactic 2019 semi-finalist. And tonight, allow me to borrow the sexiest vixen of this generation. The one and only Cassiopeia from the fantasy called Encantadia, your one and only Miss Solen Yusap. Solen Yusap saying, batid ko po ang ating mga hurado. Mula kanan hanggang kaliwa ay sadyang mga intelihente at mga edukado. Kaya't ba't hindi pa po natin ibigay ang 100% sa baklang may angking ganda at talino dahil lagi po natin pagkakatandaan na hindi po batayan ang panlabas sa kaanyuan at hubog ng katawan upang ikaw ay hiramin na reyna. Sapagkat pag ang puso, utak at bibig na ang nagsama-sama, tiyak, maiiba ang batayan ang tinatawag mong ganda. And I thank you.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? The physical attribute of the person in time will change, but the goodness and the kindness of the heart will last for a lifetime. Hello, hi, and mabuhay, people of Pateros, Metro Manila. My real name in life is Kylie Luis, and I am from the highly urbanized city of the Philippines, Pasig City. I am 21 years old and I am a senior high school graduate from Aureliano University, took up Humanities and Social Sciences. And I am proudly wearing a Wen Couture collection, the Pahiyas Festival, Pilipinas. Naniniwala ako sa isang tagang aanhin mo pa ang shabu, cocaine, at marijuana kung sa amin pa lamang. Boom! Sabog ka na. Again, this is your candidate number 7, Kylie Luis, and I am love you all. Thank you and good evening.
People of Pateros. Ano na? Bomba na. Joke lamang po. Hindi na po natin kailangang magpilitan pa. Walang mamamatay o wala din pong masusunugan ng bahay. Dahil kung tunay ang pagmamahal ng mga taga-Pateros, kayo na po mismo ang magbibigay ng masigabong palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Maraming salamat po. A proud Licabitenia holding a true beauty of Tanzania. This is your candidate number 8, Jerica Ardino Martin, 19 years old stunner, nagbula sa lahi ng matatapang at dugong matatalino. From the Lohitor Festival of the Philippines, Municipality of Tanza, Province of Cavite. But tonight, this is a pageant. Please do allow me to carry the image of one and only Binibining Sanya Lopez. Sanya Lopez na ang babaeng bawal niyong hawakan, baka di niyo nabitawan. Bawal niyong pakawalan, baka di niyo na mahawakan. Again, this is your candidate number 8 na nagsasabing, aanhin pa ang cocaine, marijuana at shabu. Kung sa ganda ko pa lang, boobs, sabog ka na. Maraming salamat po.
But then again, we will still prove to all of you tonight that we and this modern sign will make a stand as a human being. Thank you so much.
Wala po bang palakpakan dyan? Wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Pateros, hep hep! Hooray! Distinguished panel, board of adjudicators, professional individual watching this competition, I firmly believe on the saying that for you to win the best in national costume, not best in costume, it's not how big, how elegant, and how extravagant the costume is. Rather, it's how you give life to the costume you are wearing tonight. No matter how heavy it is, as long as that you carry it with pride, honor, and dignity, then definitely that is the best among the rest. I am privileged to stand here before your naked eye tonight as I am wearing one of the famous creations of the finalists of Drag Race Philippines, Corazon Pilipinas of the Lopez Circle of Elite. Ladies and gentlemen, after 7 months of resting from pageantry, I am privileged and honored that tonight is again my pageant comeback. I am a true-blooded Taal ng Tagapateros. I am from here, and I am really glad to be here tonight. My name is Gerard Angel Kyoge, a proud graduate of Bachelor of Science in Secondary Education, majoring in English at Pasig Catholic College. I firmly believe that it's not about your beauty at all. It's all about your brain that will capture the Tonight Show. Ladies and gentlemen, minsan nyo na pong napanood sa Kapuso Mo Jessica Soho. At minsan na rin pong naging top 10 grand finalist ng ABS-CBN It's Showtime, Miss Q&A, and your Super Serena, Queen of Festivals ng Itbulaga. At ako rin po, ang kauna-unahang Miss Gay Philippines World ng Pateros, Metro Manila. Tonight, allow me to stand here by the name of the one and only, ang babaeng minsan nagpasakit sa pihigang puso ni Sir Gerald Anderson. Opo, ako nga po, ang bida na ay Day Pateros kontrabida pa. Walang iba, kundi si Miss Maha Salvador. Na nagsasabing, imbis naman babae, mamakla. Bakit? Kapag ng babae ka, tiyak, gastos ka. Kapag ng babae ka, tiyak kasalanan niyo sa Diyos dahil nakiapit ka, gastos ka. Sa aming mga bakla, ibibigit mo lang ang iyong mga mata. Tanggalin mo yung false eye, ha? Iyong unat ang mga paa. Pagising mo, may Air Max ka na, may iPhone ka na, may 30,000 ka pa. Hindi lang yon, ready na ang SSS mo. May PhilHealth ka na, ay may pag-ibig ka pa. Ladies and gentlemen, those are just jokes. But I believe that the best love of all is not guaranteed about gender or sexuality. Because the best love of all is within your hearts, regardless of your gender and sexuality. Ladies and gentlemen, pateros! Ako po ang nag-iisang Gerard Kyoge. And tonight will be my coronation night. Thank you!
Thank you so much, candidate number 10,